What's up, guys? Today I'm in the parking lot helping out a customer who had a hole in this brake line. If you ever find yourself in this situation where your brake line is leaking, as you can see, there's a little hole right there. You got to figure out what size line you're using. It's either a 3/16 or a 1/4 inch. I have a 3/16 here in my hand, so I picked up a spool of it at the local auto parts store. And what you do is you just roll it out, kind of get a rough idea of how long you need. What I do is I cut off the old fittings off the brake line and I just put them back onto the new line. And then you got to get yourself one of these tools. It's a brake line flare tool. It comes with something that looks like this and something that looks like this, which I already have installed here. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to start with a flush, clean, flat cut, nice and clean. And you want to use this adapter to get an idea of how far you want it to poke out of this end. I'm using the end that has the, like, it's a tapered end. On this side it has a flat, fresh flat cut. This side has a tapered cut. So you want the line to come out as far as this fitting shows you. And then what you want to do is you want to put it right on top of the line. And then you want to make sure that it's really tight so that when you push on this, the line doesn't come out on this end. And then you want to install this guy over the fitting. And then you start just tightening it down. Now, do not forget don't forget to put your fitting on. If you make this flare and you forgot your fitting, you're gonna have to do it again. So just start working it down. You kind of want to drive that guy all the way till it's pretty much all the way down. And then that's about it. Back it up. Now, I don't remove it fully because you need to gonna press it again. Now you want to check out your flare. You want to make sure it's even. Sometimes you're off a little bit to one side, but if you look like you're dead center, which looks like I got it, then you're ready for step 2, which is now you do it without this adapter. This is a double flare. So now we're making the second flare. Now you just use the cone on this tool, you put it right in the hole. Now you tighten this down on its own. Now, this one, you just want to get a feel for it. You don't want to press it too hard. You just want to give it that little cup shape and just take a nice look. You don't want to go too far. You want to leave a little material there because when you attach it to the vehicle, you're going to press it a little more, and that's what makes that seal. So this one looks like it worked out for me. If you want to pause it for a minute,